Let's convert normal Facebook text into bold text. To start, open your Facebook application, then move to post creating section. Then you have to create a post. Here, type any text you want. After typing, you have to copy all these texts. Select all, then tap copy in the pop-up window. Then it will be copied to the clipboard. Then go back to your home screen. Now open any browser that you have. This works on any browser. After, type and search bold text generator. Here you can select the first result. After, go to that website, paste your text in the first empty box. After, you can see those texts will be converted to bold and other styles automatically. If you scroll down on the second box, you can see different style of text. You can copy paste these texts on any social media platform. Since we need to convert bold text, scroll all the way to the top. At the top you can see for the second option, bold sans. Under that, select all the text, then tap copy in the pop-up window. Then your bold text will be copied to the clipboard. Now go back to our Facebook post. Then you have to remove your all normal text. After removing, take a long press, then tap paste in the pop-up window, or you can click the top of your keyboard. Then it will be pasted. Now just tap post. Here you can see your Facebook post in bold letters. That's how to convert normal text into bold. That's it. Later.